there, I am KX90. Welcome back to the next part of the introduction to Airbit by MakeIt. If you are not sure about how the charging actually works, stay tuned now. Connect the battery to the Airbit, attach a USB cable to your computer, attach the USB cable to the lower connection point which is on the Airbit. You do not need to turn on the power to the Airbit. Now you will see a symbol on the LED indicators which indicates that the battery is in fact charging. You will also see a yellow flashing light and a blue light on the backside of the microbit. It is the blue light that mainly indicates that the battery is charging. When the battery is fully charged, a skull appears on the Airbit and the light that was blue is gone. Changes may occur in the future. Disconnect the Airbit from your computer and disconnect the battery from the Airbit. The battery is now charged and ready for use. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the last episode.